Kusing, ito, tapos na siya. So, this one is the clip-on lock. So, handle clip lock siya. So, pagka lagay mo dyan sa rack mo, pag-clip yan, tapos dito, this one is a sliding clip din ito. So, swivel siya clip. So, it's a sliding clip. So, dito, kung may triangular dito, so, i-clip mo para hindi siya magsisway. And then, sa inside interior is orange pa rin. And then, meron siyang bolts, 9 bolts inside. And then, ito, so hard to busing. This is hard para matibay. And then, may foam siya dito hanggang dito. Ikot ng ganyan. And then, dito din may foam siya para safe yung gamit natin into tapos reflectorize na na sticker vinyl. So, yan. So, and then, the best thing is to roll inside. So, roll papunta dito sa handle. Kasi nakikita ko na tatama ng dito eh. So, mas maganda. Okay. Yan. Roll it inside. So, you can use it at the office. And then, this triangular straps above sa bag. So, this one nalagay mo. Yan. So, adjustable to. And then, may siya, may Velcro na strap keeper ang tawag namin. So, this one. So, mataas pa to kung i-extend mo yung karga mo. So, this one is a strap keeper. So, and then, side release lock sa side. And then, this on the side also. And then, the bag is sturdy. So, hindi ba siya? So, magaan lang. And then, this is the rain cover. So, blue lang ang yung cover natin. So, made out of X, lahat X. That's good. Thank you.